I literally have my own keyword research app, and with just one line, it gives me a complete SEO report with all the keywords that I should target and a strategy to follow. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build the same keyword research AI agent using N8N. This agent can analyze any topic you give it and instantly generate detailed list of different types of keywords with insights like search volume, difficulty, CPC, and intent. It can even analyze your competitors and reveal what they are doing and where you can beat them. And once we finish setting up everything, you'll have your own keyword research app that you can access anytime from your browser. All you need to do is just type in your topic and you'll get a complete keyword research in just seconds. So guys, I'm Brand from Website Learners, and let's get started. This is my N8N dashboard, and this is where I'm going to create this automation. If you don't have access to N8N, you can watch this video to set it up. It's the best method to get access to N8N, and I've already prepared the workflow and kept it ready in this JSON. You can download it by clicking the link in the description. And please note that it'll cost you a small amount. But if you already have a hosting with WebSpace Kit, you will automatically get access to this workflow for free. Now to extract the workflows from the zip folder, click here. Right click on the folder and select Extract All. Then click Extract again. Once that's done, open the folder. You'll see two separate files, one for the sub-workflow and another for the main workflow. Alright, so now we have successfully got the workflows. Now we are going to create our SEO keywords AI agent in just two parts. The first part is to set up the sub-workflow, but before building the main AI agent, we need to set up a sub-workflow that handles all the SEO data tasks like keyword research and SERP analysis. So to set up the sub-workflow, we are going to do two steps. The first step is to import the workflow. So once you got the hosting and download the workflows, go to your N8N account, click Start from Scratch, then click here, select Import from File, and upload the sub-workflow file you just downloaded. As you can see here, we've got our workflow. Alright, we have successfully imported our workflow. Now let's take a quick overview of how the sub-workflow works. The main purpose of this sub-workflow is to handle all the keyword-related tasks for our AI agent. When the main workflow sends a request, this sub-workflow uses a tool called DataForSEO to collect keyword ideas, find related keywords, analyze competitors, and pull search result data. Once all this data is collected and organized, the sub-workflow sends everything back to the main workflow in a clean, structured format. Alright, so this is how the sub-workflow functions, and now that we understand how it works, let's move on to set up its nodes and connect the required API services to make it functional. So let's go to the second step, which is to connect DataForSEO to N8N. DataForSEO is a keyword data provider, and we are using it to fetch accurate metrics like search volume, difficulty, CPC, and related keywords for our AI agent. So to connect DataForSEO to N8N, open this node, click here, and select Create New Credentials. Here we need to add the API credentials from DataForSEO. To get the credentials, click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. Now click Try for free. Fill in these details, check this box and click Sign up. Once you are in, go to API Access and here's the credentials we need. So first let's copy this username. Go back to N8 and paste it here. Now go back, copy this password, come to N8N again, paste it in this field, and click Save. Now close this and go back to the canvas. Now since we have a few more DataForSEO nodes, to configure them, just open the nodes one by one and they'll be configured automatically. Now let's store the sub-workflow by clicking Save. Perfect! We have now successfully connected DataForSEO to N8N, and let's go to the second part, which is to set up the main workflow. This main workflow acts as the brain, processing the user input and delivering intelligent data-driven SEO insights. So let's click here and click Create Workflow. Now click here, select import from file and upload the main workflow file. Now that we have the main workflow here, let's see a quick overview of how the main workflow works. The main workflow is responsible for handling the user's request and turning all this keyword data into a complete, easy-to-read keyword research report. It starts when the user sends a request, and the request can be either a text or voice. If it's a voice, the workflow automatically converts it into text using Gemini. Next, the request is passed on to the AI agent, and here the AI carefully analyzes the request to understand what the user actually wants, whether it's the keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, or content gap analysis. The AI decides which type of keyword task needs to be performed. Based on that decision, the main workflow triggers the sub-workflow and asks it to collect the required keyword data. The sub-workflow runs in the background, gathers all the necessary information, and sends the results back. After receiving the data, the AI analyzes everything using Google Gemini. Finally, the main workflow gives us a clear, structured, actionable keyword research report. So in simple terms, the main workflow handles the conversation and the decision making. The sub-workflow handles all the keyword data collection. Alright, so this is how the main workflow functions. Now to set up the main workflow, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to connect Google Gemini to n8n. And Google Gemini is used to analyze the data, understand the user's request, and generate a clean, easy-to-read keyword report. So to connect Google Gemini to n8n, open this node, click here, and select and create new credentials. This is where we need to add the API key. To get the API key, click the link in the description, and it will take you to this page. Here, check this box, and click Continue. Now go to Get API Key, and click Create API Key. Give your key a name, then click here and select Default Gemini Project, and click a Create Key. Now our API key is created, but to get its access, we need to set up a billing account and get Gemini API's free trial. So to set up a billing account, click here, click Agree and Continue. Then click here, fill in these details, and click Save. Now click on this plus icon, select a payment method, enter your card details and click Save Card. But don't worry, money won't be deducted from your account. This is just to start the free trail. So let's click Start Free and click here to copy the API key. Now go back to n8n, paste it here, and click Save. Now close this and go back to Canvas. We have now successfully connected Google Gemini to n8n, so let's go to the second step, which is to connect Firecrawl to n8n. Firecrawl is a web scraping tool, and we are using it to gather competitor data so our AI agent can analyze gaps and opportunities. So to connect Firecrawl to n8n, open this node. And here we need to add the API key from Firecrawl. To get the API key, click the link in the description, and it will take you to this page. Now click here and sign in with your Google account. And here's the API key we need. So let's copy it by clicking here. Now go back to n8n and replace this placeholder with the API key. Okay, now go back to Canvas. Alright, we have now successfully connected Firecrawl to n8n. Now just open this node, click here, and select our sub-workflow. Then go back to Canvas, and in the same way, open this node, click here, select your sub-workflow again. Once that's done, save the workflow by clicking here. Alright, now let's go to the third step, which is to create a keyword research app. We are going to create a simple chat-style interface or an app to easily interact with our AI agent. So to create our keyword research app, open this node, and here you'll see a webhook that we need to connect our app to this AI agent. Just click the link in the description, and it will take you to V0. This is an AI tool that instantly turns your instructions and UI files into a working web app. So let's click here and sign in with our Google account. Once you are in, click Accept and Continue. Here, we need to upload the UI for our keyword research app. I've already designed it for you. To use it, just click the link in the description, and it will be downloaded. Now just drag and drop the downloaded file here. Then click Start Chat. Now you can see the interface of our app. Next, we need to connect it to the webhook from N8N. So let's go back to N8N and copy this webhook by clicking on it. Then come back, click here and type a prompt like update the webhook to, then paste your webhook right after it. Ask it to remove the old webhook and click send. As you can see, we got an interactive demo of our app. So now we have successfully created our keyword research app and we have successfully set up the nodes and our workflow is now ready to run. So let's test it. Just go back to N8N and click execute workflow. Then in the keyword research app, enter your keyword research request. For example, I'm going to enter in, hey, can you help me with keyword research for an AI video creator? And click here to send. Now you can see we got a full keyword report with high impact keywords, low competition keywords, question keywords, plus details like search volume, keyword difficulty, cost per click, and intent. It even gives us a domination strategy to help us pick the best keyword and plan strong content around it. Now let's test it again for competitor analysis. Just execute the workflow again. Then here I'll enter analyze top ranking competitors for AI video generator to identify content gap. Click here to send. And here's a complete breakdown of the top ranking creators in our niche along with content gaps we can target. This means our workflow and app is working smoothly. Now we can publish the app on the web so that we can use it anytime without manually executing the workflow. So to publish the app, open this node, click production URL and copy this webhook by clicking here. Now go back to the Vote tab, click here, paste this new webhook exactly like we did before and click send. Once that's done, we can publish the app. So let's click publish. Then click publish to production. Now click view site and here's our app live on the web. Now go back to N8N, click activate and click got it. Now our workflow will run automatically without needing to execute it every time. Now just go to your web app and make the keyword request you want. For example, I'm going to ask to help me with key research for an AI blog writer and click here to send. As you can see, we got a detailed keyword list with everything we need. Now you can use these insights to create high-performing content for your website, YouTube channel, or even run high-conversion ad campaigns. So that's it, guys. This is how you can build and run your keyword research AI agent using N8N. Now you can start building this workflow for yourself. Just click here and it'll take you to the page where you can download the workflow. Go ahead and start creating your workflows. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.